Oh, this didn't have a microphone. Whoa, what's this? Open my stream. This is sick. See you on my next stream. Q&A. Ask questions in the chat. Wow, this is sick. What? This is sick. Are these backgrounds only for green screens? How come I can't see the background? Hello, background. Okay, not sure. Why would that not work? Customize radius. Oh, this is sick. What else can I do? Half screen. Press Shift 4. Okay, but what did that do? Oh, I can put QR codes up here. This is sick. No way. You can add music. Let's add some music. Can you hear that through the stream? I don't even know if anyone's watching. Can anyone hear this? Oh, they have a hip hop station? Wait, I want to turn it up. Okay. Okay, you can make notes. There's a chat. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, post messages to some channels. Oh, Marvin, sick. What's up? You can see me? Wait, can you hear this music that they're playing? All right, I'll turn it off. It's probably annoying. Did this just pop up on your feed? Are you on LinkedIn or X or YouTube? Oh, X it says. Wow. Wait, so did this just pop up on your X feed, my live stream? Marvin, if you're still watching, send me that video that you sent me an email, the promo video you made. Let me see if I can screen share and play it on my X through the live stream. Can you send me that link somehow if you're still listening? How would I do that? Let's see. So I would live stream it. So I would share my screen. All right, I'm going to, if 30-second delay, I'm going to go get your video that you sent me an email. And then I'm going to see if I can live stream it. You sent me your promo video for your startup. Let's go see if we can live stream it. Okay, Marvin. Oh, beautiful. Can I click the link? Nah, I can't click the link. All right, got it. Don't worry. I got the email open. Okay. All right, I got the link. Now what? Now what do I do? Notes. Okay, let's post the notes. All right, so I need to share my screen, and then it needs to make sure the audio is playing so that they can hear your video. Let's try this. Oh, great thumbnail. You got 400 subscribers. Good work. And this has 1,000 views. Good stuff. All right, let me play it as soon as I figure out how to share this. Okay, got it. Got it. We're coming. We're coming. Wholesale. Nope. Editing. Nope. Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh, I did it. Whoa. Can I move this around? Oh, this is the best view. All right, you ready, Marvin? Wait. I hope you can hear this. Let me make sure the settings are set so that the audio gets played. Show advanced options, high stereo. All right, I'm just going to play it and hopefully you can hear it. If you can't, write in the chat. I'm going to go full screen. Good stuff, Marvin. Wait, tell me if you can hear me when I pause it. I want to compliment you on this sign. This is sick. That's a custom made neon sign. That is so cool looking. Wow. All right, back. This is so good, dude. This is so good. That's sick, Marvin. This is great. Dude, that was awesome. Okay, by the way, I wish Paul would lower interest rates. Dude, that was awesome. Holy heck, that was awesome. Wait, so could you hear my voice while the video was playing as well? Was it two audio inputs? Marvin, I'm gonna invite you to join this. I want to ask you questions about this. I think I'm gonna send you a link on X right now, okay? Okay, I just sent you the link on X. See if you can click that and then join me. I want to see if this works. All right, and we are back. Mic check, mic check. Marvin, can you come up here? Test, 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 test. How do I get this text box out of here? I like this one more. I like this one more. Oh, breaking news. Marvin's coming online. Breaking news. Live streaming so dumb. Oh, this is amazing. What is this? Background. How come I can't write in my own chat, but Marvin can write in it? What? I don't get it. It won't let me write. Oh, Marvin just joined. Wow.
Hello there. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Wait, can I see you?
Well, let me check. Oh, wait, the camera. Ah, there we go. Hi, man.
Dude, this is insane. Look at breaking news, Marvin. Breaking news. That video, dude, that was excellent. You know why I loved it is because you showed that this is way bigger than gaming, and it's more of an enterprise play. That it like I left that thinking, oh, this is going to be a really expensive product. That was awesome. I loved that video.
The main intention behind it was that last week we were at AWE, as I think I told you about, and we noticed at previous exhibitions that many people, they walk by, they think, oh yeah, this is cool, but they don't instantly understand all the use cases, right? Because it's not obvious. So yeah, we wanted to have something we can just have there playing on a screen at our booth, so that people that walk by instantly realize, holy shit, this is for more than just gaming, right?
Yeah, that was amazing. And so wait, so that all links to a waiting list, and so customers were signing up for a waiting list from the YouTube like descriptions.
I mean, some came from YouTube, but actually the bulk of them came because we had a bunch of influencers over at our booth at AWE. I think it was like 8 in total, with a total audience of like 1.5 million. And so far, 2 out of these 8 have posted a video about it. The other ones are just still working on their.
Did they edit that video and put it on their YouTube channel? Like they did a good job of it, or was it just like a casual live stream type of thing?
I mean, the videos were like slightly edited, but still like short form videos, like probably no more than 2 minutes, because it's just like a 10-minute demo, right? So they don't have really enough time to make like an in-depth review. But anyways, out of these 8 influencers, so far 2 have posted. The other ones will do so in the coming days. And these 2 are actually some of the smaller ones. But we still already got like 500 additional people on the waitlist within 3 days. So I'm pretty sure that once everybody has posted, we'll probably get to more than 2,000 people within a few days from now.
Yeah, because I saw your views when you sent me that video a few days ago. I think it was at 200, and then today it's 1,200. So that's growing. That's great.
Yeah.
How much did that cost to build that video?
That's another cool thing. Our most recent investor, he owns the best video production company here in my state of Germany, and we're basically getting infinite videos for free now.
Dude.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, because like paying somebody to make a professional video with like a $100,000 camera, just paying them for one video would cost like 10,000 euros, even though it's just a 1-minute video. So yeah, having these guys on board is pretty awesome.
Like, how much did he put in, if you want to say? We're on live stream, you don't have to.
Well, it's like basically a investment per video. Or now we'll make a package for like multiple videos, and instead of putting in money, they're putting in their service, so that we basically exchange shares for videos. But it's with a good valuation, so it's not like we are getting ripped off for videos.
Also, that at least they're way more invested in the concept, and you're early enough that you should be getting as many good people involved like that. That's smart. I'm good with that.
Yeah, sure. By the way, I mean, if we're already talking, I can give you a quick update. We raised our pre-seed round, and now we're raising our seed round. Right now, aiming for between $500,000 to $2 million.
What'd you close for the pre-seed?
200K.
Nice, dude.
50K out of that came from the European Space Agency, which wants to work with us on training astronauts with the treadmill. I mean, there's no more prestige customer than the space agency, right? So that's pretty cool. And then we got a bunch of enterprise customers.
You look like a guy that's gonna make money from space. I totally see that. You got a little Elon in you.
Yeah. I even got the. Oh, wait a second.
Yeah, bring it up. Well, let's see if I can maximize it.
It's a 3D printed model of the most high-end rocket engine ever built, the Raptor.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, dude, that's amazing. Who is the rest of the 200 grand invested?
It's like some investors from Germany, one business angel from Belgium. He leads like one of the biggest AI companies in Belgium. Another one from the Netherlands. He has like a business development consultancy, and then one investor from Germany who has like everything that is built.
Marvin, we got our ad sponsors are coming in right now. We gotta take. All right, and we're back. Welcome, everyone. If you want to go pitch VCs and raise money like Marvin, come on down to.
What the hell was that? So is it like built in the software here? No, you are doing that.
This is amazing. I love it. Have you ever heard of this platform? This is so fun.
Is it your first time using Restream?
Yeah. Does it show the watermark somewhere?
Not for me here. I mean, I can check in the stream.
Like, how'd you know? Oh, you know it's Restream because I sent you the link. I see what you're saying.
Yeah. No, but it's working pretty nicely. Cool stuff.
Yeah, it's so sick. I met this founder. Probably 2017. I think Mark Linnell sent me the deal. And I remember it was like doing billions of views in like 2017. And I didn't know anything about live streaming and like I didn't understand. It was so technical. Now it is like literally, I feel like I'm running a TV station here. It's like insane. Look at this. I'm going to go my side big. Now we're going to do this. Then we're going to bring up an ad. This is insane, you know?
It's pretty cool, man. But I can't see how many people are watching. Can you see that?
We have 7 on Twitter and 1 on YouTube. Oh yeah, it's also live streaming YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn same time.
Nice. Hello, audience.
Anyway, so dude, that's awesome though. Good for you. I'm like, I mean, we worked for 3 months, fucking tirelessly on trying to get that set up. So, do you feel like that was the right strategy we took? Where I said to you, network instead of pitch. What's your thoughts on? Because that was what I did at your age. I think I told you that was like, ask for money, get advice, ask for advice, get money. And I didn't even think about it. I was just doing it naturally. Do you feel like that strategy worked that we went with?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, some of the guys that I started talking to, back when we were working on this, like Daniel Wiegrad from Draper Startup House or Bert from Triptych Capital, they got to meet me. We talked about the startup, and I was like not trying to push them on investing or anything. And now that we're generating traction, they are now very interested. Like Bert,
yeah, that's how it works.
I hope he's not watching, but
I would.
Bert has been at the expo in Los Angeles as well, and he tested out the treadmill. He really liked it, and then on the last day we ended up at like a huge yacht, which was like 100 feet or something like that.
Wait, you went on a yacht with Bert?
Yeah, it was like an after party from UE.
I made that intro. Wait, are you serious?
Yeah,
Where the fuck was my invite to the yacht, Bert? If you're watching, what?
I told you to come. That you're missing out. You didn't want to come, so it's your own fault. You would have been on there with us. So yeah, it was pretty awesome. We were drinking and smoking and talking for like hours, and then he told me that he wants to become a business angel.
Yeah.
And I just met with Daniel a few hours ago. We had a little catch up, and he also seems to be super interested in investing now. I mean, he was saying that it's a bit difficult because we're a German company. So we're actually now thinking maybe we should incorporate it.
Yeah, you absolutely need a C Corp in the US if we're going to do this right to get, absolutely.
Probably, yeah.
Dude, that is... I almost quit like last week doing all this stuff. Like I was totally done working with founders. And then I got so much feedback from people saying, don't quit. Like you've helped me. And like, I haven't checked in with you in like 6 months. So I know you did all of it. I'm not taking any credit, but like, dude, the fact that dude, I directly introduced you to that guy. He's giving you money. Like that's fucking.
Exactly. And
it makes me so happy to hear that. Thank you. That's awesome, dude.
I learned from multiple people, but you are definitely the most involved teacher, so appreciate it, man.
How do I turn this?
It's hard to reach nowadays. I texted you a few times on Telegram. It's like
I'm too fucking busy. I already did my part. I introduced you to your investors. Don't worry about it, okay? Wait, can I show you something? I want to get your opinion on it. This is okay. So all that happened. I was ready to quit. A lot of shit, whatever, other stuff in my life, and then I'm like, no, I'm just gonna like go vibe code so hard all weekend and see how it goes. Do you think this is the right marketing strategy here? I'm just going to like scroll through the website. So double your VC network in 3 months. You did double your VC network in 3 months, correct?
I probably 100x'd it. I had nothing.
Oh, dude, that's what I'm saying. Okay, and then check this out. You click this button, proof it works. Look at this.
Ah, that's cool, man. So it's like the new version of Ugly Startups, or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna merge Ugly Star, Spatial Collective, my newsletter. Like I'm gonna merge everything into this, and then I think the goal is just like just do exactly what I did with you, but with like 1,000 founders. Like you absolutely can 100x your VC network if you do the shit I was talking about. You know, we both done it.
Yeah. Like one tip from my side. I mean, it's probably already getting better now that you're merging stuff. But I've been receiving so many notifications through so many different channels from you that it was just kind of like, oh, it's the 10th notification today. You just start swiping it at some point, right? Because you don't have the time to check all these notifications. So more quantity, or maybe it's just my fault that I've
No. You're right. Multiple people have told me that. You're right. Don't worry.
Maybe I've just subscribed to too many channels that I'm getting like also the same notifications multiple times. I'm not sure. Maybe I need to check that.
No. You're definitely right. Again, this is like exactly what I'm trying to figure out. But I think you're right. I need to maximize quality of interaction so that people are getting stuff out of it each time. I need to focus it instead of two different separate communities, one group specifically for at least double your network using these systems and all the things that we've gone through. I think that's. Have you used this lovable.dev platform?
Not yet. Is it where you vibe code it?
Yeah. I couldn't do, look at this. I couldn't do any of this if I didn't have AI.
So the whole website is coded. It's not using any of these platforms where you can create a website with some easy tools.
All I did was talk to an AI for 55 hours. And I literally said, like, give me a toggle between upcoming and past events. It did it. I said, give me a little button that's green, and like, blah, blah, blah. Did it. Then I said, make each call to action unique according to the button. And it did it. These are all different according to the thing, right? Apply now, different. You want the.
I also need that for our website. How's it called?
It's called lovable.dev. And look at this. I even like.
Yeah, for me, Don, I think I could have done this without Shark Tank for a couple of reasons. I mean, number one is connecting us with VC.
Amazing.
Yeah. That's cool, man. Because like our website is built with Wix. Do you know Wix?
Yeah, of course. Wix is boomer. What are you doing? You're like 24.
It's like so fucked up that like if you want to have one feature that is not already implemented in their toolbox, then there's nothing you can do, right? You can't code anything in there. So that's completely fucked, actually. So I mean, I designed it with a Indian designer like 2 years ago because it was just cheap.
Yeah.
But now we have fucking AI and we can do it ourselves.
Not only that, but there was an AI video editor where I was just talking to it. I uploaded it like a 20-minute video, and I said, all right, take out like Marvin's part and Don's part and like edit it. And like I just set it in a text box and it did it. So at this point, I'm spending, not exaggerating, I've spent 10 to 14 hours per day talking to AIs for the last 7 days straight. Friday, Saturday, even Father's Day, I spent all day on the boat with my dad, and then I was up till like 5 a.m. fucking like talking to AIs and just building stuff. It's so like in less than 12 months, there will be no more typing. This will be all based around a voice, and I'll just be able to sit here and go change that button on my website, make it like exactly what I'm doing with text.
Yeah, exactly. That's
really.
I mean,
do you understand how insane that is? This whole world's different. It's insane.
It is, man. Did you notice that most of the clips in the video, the trailer, are also AI generated?
Really? The fireman kicking the door?
Everything AI generated.
Dude, that's what I mean.
Like except for the in-game footage in Skyrim and Half-Life Alyx, and the clip of the soccer player, everything else is AI generated with the new Google AI VO3. Have you heard about it?
What's it called?
VO3. You can find it in Flow.
Spell it for me.
Like VEO3. You haven't heard about it? It's all over the internet.
I don't go on the internet unless I'm publishing. Wait, Vios, did you put in the chat?
Wait, I will put it in the chat. 1 second. Here's a private chat.
How come it doesn't let me chat to my own?
Did you get that message?
Stream, VO3. All right, let me look at it.
And yeah, you can. It's like from Google DeepMind.
Here, wait, I'll share the screen so people can see.
You can.
This is Google. You see it on the screen?
That's not the real one. Can you go back one?
I clicked your.
Oh no, that's fake. Yeah, click this one. Yeah.
Wow, that's a good fake.
And then click try and flow. It actually took us 10 hours just to get access to it because you need an American Google account, and we couldn't get it done with fake numbers and things like that and VPN. That was a pain in the ass.
Wait, I'm signing into Google. It only works for Americans right now?
Yeah. You know, in Europe, everything that is cool is illegal by default.
All right, you must be a Google AI subscriber to generate. What does that mean? What's Google AI?
I think you can get like a free subscription trial. And then in the bottom right, now it's like VO2, which is the old model. No, don't use that. It's the old model.
I won't let me unless I sign up. Can you share your screen? There's no way, right? That's probably too complicated.
Yeah.
Do you have a share screen button on the bottom of your thing?
Yeah. Wait a second. Let me check. Yeah, I do. Let me just quickly switch to the VPN. Otherwise, I cannot open Google Flow. So I will be gone for a second.
So you just write what you want, and then it creates visuals.
Me again?
Yeah. So you just write what you want. Yeah, I'll let you demo it. Wow. I mean, this is 2025 is the death of buttons. You know, there's no way buttons exist on websites in like 5 years.
Yeah. My small brother is working on a system with AI with AR glasses, where you basically also interact naturally with the AI because it sees what you see. You can just directly talk to it, and you can have like holograms and things like that. It's basically the Tony Stark AI implementation.
Yeah, I mean, isn't that what OpenAI just acquired, Tommy or Johnny Ives' business? I assume that's going to be some outward-facing camera, whether it's glasses or a pin.
A wearable, but I'm not sure if it's.
Yeah, it might not be holographic glasses, but it's definitely going to be some outward-facing camera that has context on everything.
Yeah. Yeah, if
I was Apple, I'd be real concerned right now about OpenAI.
Yeah.
I even saw on the new iPhone, when you double click that new button they added and you take a photo, it brings up OpenAI's like context in the bottom of Apple. So like that's the exact thing as what Yahoo gave to Google when Google had better search results. Like Apple's giving that to OpenAI right now because it has better search results or better AI results. It's like I'd be real concerned.
Yeah, I'm curious what he will come up with. He's just 14 years old, but he's still already building, man.
He's 14.
Yeah.
Dude, what is going on? What are you drinking over in Germany that you guys are all so smart? Are you like raised in a technical culture? Like, is everyone studying to be an engineer at a young age? Is that why you all can build stuff?
Not really. I mean, we are from a pretty rural area of Germany. We literally grew up in a village. So I wouldn't say so, but I mean, my father also has his own company. He's building solar stuff.
Gotcha.
And I guess I kind of showed him that you can just do things, you know?
Yeah. Oh, he showed you, right?
Well, I started first. When I started, he was
really? You were an entrepreneur, then your dad followed?
I mean, I showed my little brother.
Oh, your little brother. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. Well, of course, he wasn't even born when you started coding, of course.
Yeah. So here's like.
Wait,
like
it's not sharing. Are you sharing your screen?
oh, wait a second. Yeah, I am, but it's you need to switch. You're the host, right? You need to switch the views. Right now, it's just us two, and you need to kind of bring the screen in.
When I click screen share, it automatically adds it. So I'd assume that would do the same for yours.
Wait a second. Like it needs to be, I think, on the left side where you see like different screens or sources.
Oh, I need to add a source, you're saying?
Wait a second. Can I also pull that in here? Like, can I just drag it in? No, I can't. Like, I am streaming it already, but
on your browser, does it say up top in a little notification stop stop streaming or something like that, or share this screen?
No, it doesn't. Like on the left side of my screen, I see my camera view, and below that, I see the shared screen, and the shared screen is like grayed out. So it's like it's trying to share, but it's not inside of the live stream feed, right?
Oh, wait, I think I got it. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Show what's on your. Wait, I think I got it. So I can add a source, either video, presentation, screen share, RTMP, camera, image, local. But screen share is just for my screen share. Yeah, it's just my screen share. Let me ask GPT real quick. How does a visitor, I don't need to think about anything. How does a visitor?
You're completely putting your brain on the sideline.
I can't. I'm just gonna be a physical body for GPT's inputs. Yeah, that's good. How does a visitor on my reach? Oh wait! It just did it. It just did it. Oh, I see. Oh my gosh, this is incredible.
There it is. I can see it.
There it is. Look at this. This is incredible. Okay. So you just typed in fireman stuff, and then they created.
I typed in 3 firefighters are running towards a burning building. We see them from behind, and I got like 4 outputs within a minute.
And you pay for this, or you download free, or how do they make money?
It's €1 per generation, one video per video, €1 per video, or $1. But like most of them are pretty good. I mean, like if you look closely, you might see some things that are a bit weird. Like for example, let me check. No, these are actually pretty good. Wait a second. There's some weird video. Oh yeah, there. Did you see that? Some guy just spawned out of nothing, like here in this area. Yeah.
Good eye. Yeah, but like no one's gonna notice that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not for cut shots.
You can just cut out before.
Did you see that new trend that's going viral where it's like people will use this or some similar platform to create like historical characters that are using an iPhone and like streaming like a live.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, man, the future is gonna be crazy. I mean, now it's like already 95% perfect or indistinguishable from reality, and like this is the worst it will ever be, right? In half a year or a year from now,
exactly,
it's gonna be like perfect. Like you
can it's just so slow. Like when I'm doing the like development stuff, you're just constantly waiting.
That's true. The good thing here was that you could open up multiple tabs, so you can like work on all projects simultaneously. That while you wait for one thing to generate, you're just working on the prompt for another one.
Yeah.
But I guess for some use case that's not working. Yeah. So that's actually pretty annoying. But that's also going to improve exponentially, right? So, I mean, think about GPT-3 first version. That was also taking quite long and was pretty bad. And it's just getting quicker and better every day.
Yeah, it was like a significant upgrade in the last 3 months to all this stuff. It feels like over the weekend, one of the like vibe code things was they had a partnership with OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google, and you could switch between the models, and then they were taking feedback. You win 10 grand. So I played around with it. And like it's so crazy how far ahead OpenAI seems to be to me. They're just so much better than everything.
Yeah. And it's like you've never been like a real developer, right? You never really learned how to code, or did you?
Hey, I took one HTML CSS class in college, and I said, this seems easy. I'll figure it out later. But you know what's funny is I used to make, in high school, I was making money using Webflow. Like Webflow was like 2 years into the business, and I was like really early on to using it. And I did that one summer, or maybe I was like early college. And then I never touched Webflow. And like for the last decade, I'm like, man, I wish I just stuck with it. Like I'd be such a good web dev by now. And so now that I have this new opportunity, I'm absolutely in 10 years, I'm going to be very technical in whatever that means in 10 years. But to answer your question directly, no, I've not coded in that sense. No.
Yeah, and that's the awesome thing, right? You don't need to spend years learning one programming language, and then maybe for whatever use case you need to code, the language is not the right one, so you need to learn another one, shit like that. You just use the fucking language you've learned from day one since your birth, and the translation is just done by the AI. So you basically just need to have a brain which is capable of basic logic, and you need creativity in order to do something that is unique.
It's super creative, and I feel like a lot of it is going back and forth between two AIs and like basically trying to correlate what they're saying and then giving instructions.
Yeah. I also can't wait for it to work for like video games. That like most of the effort if you create a video game is like generating these 3D assets, the whole world basically. And once that works fully perfectly with AI, you basically just jump on a treadmill. So you're like on a holodeck, you load into a empty world, and then you just start walking around and pointing at things, and like there needs to go mountains, there needs to go forests, and put some houses here, and there's NPCs running around, and you just fully freely, just by talking to the world, basically create whatever you want to create.
100%. This is I've never been so convinced we're living in the Matrix, because if you project all this stuff forward 1,000 years, it's exactly what this is. Not even 1,000 years. It's going to be less than that. Yeah. I'll be on an accelerate treadmill, talking to OpenAI, building with a 3D asset generator. Easy. Yeah.
It makes you become religious, right? I mean, living in a simulation is basically just a more techie way of saying there's a creator. So
who do you think? You think there's like a Marvin in the real universe that coded us? But then who built that? We know nothing. None of it makes any sense.
Hopefully AI will help us find out.
Well, isn't that what Grok's intention is maximum truth seeking and purpose of life or something like that?
Yeah.
The more I use AI, the more I try to figure out like what the fuck. I don't fully understand what Elon's like. How did he come to that conclusion as being the number one most important North Star? And he's obviously very good at coming up with like the one North Star to focus on. Like, I really wonder how he came to that idea with AI.
I mean, the goal of Grok is to understand the universe, right? And I think this is like the final frontier, right? That like at some point when everything else is solved, the only thing that is still unsolved is the question of like why is the universe even here, and how?
Right. And I guess it's like you really can't answer that question unless you know everything, because you have to like correlate so much stuff together.
Yeah, exactly. So
it's a really interesting prospect. All right, Marvin, I love you. This was awesome. Congrats on the fundraising. That's like, I mean, that's awesome.
I have to finish my dinner. I was just sitting at the dinner table when I jumped into live stream. It's probably cold now, but it's fine.
You literally just scrolled through X and it just appeared on X. That's what happened.
I'm actually not 100% sure, because I think I have notifications enabled for your posts. It might have just popped up through that. So even though I'm not often joining your meetings because I'm just too busy, I am watching what you're doing.
You're getting too. That's why. By the way, that's why you get too many notifications. You got me enabled on there. Yeah, no, it's interesting. I put this to X, LinkedIn, YouTube. No difference. Same thing. X has 7, which 7 people have watched this entire 40 minutes. YouTube has 1, and LinkedIn has 0. And I have the most followers on LinkedIn, which means LinkedIn is complete garbage, and they have no idea what they're doing with any sort of like modern concepts. I just found out you can't even sign into a third-party OAuth on LinkedIn if you sign into LinkedIn using Google. So like I had to go reset my password just to like get into this third-party OAuth through Restream. Whereas when I authorized X, I click X, it opens up the little X embeddable form, and then it has like sign in with Google right there. So like LinkedIn is so far off.
I'm wondering who is even using LinkedIn. I mean, are you scrolling through your LinkedIn feed?
LinkedIn's by far my number one thing I open.
For real?
Just because I found it to be the best cold messaging, like cold DM platform.
I mean, yeah, I use it to like connect with people and chat with them, but I'm never looking through the feed because it just feels like people sucking each other off all the time.
See, and my issue, I'd rather have that than X. Whenever I sign into X, it feels like people are punching each other in the mouth all the time. I'm like, I can't deal with this.
It's like the group chat of Earth where people are just the real self,
X is over. I like really try. I post, but I don't read because it makes me sad. All right, can everyone share this or like tweet at me? I don't even know who's watching this. If there was actually 7 people that watched this whole time, I mean, you guys got to get jobs, or girls. You all need jobs. This is
true.
Yeah.
Build a startup.
I'm kidding.
It's very easy and fun.
Yeah, I don't have a job either. Don't worry. Neither does Marvin. Okay. All right.
Well, good talking to you.
Yeah.
By the way, we're now raising the seed round, so if you know anybody else for an intro, let me know. I mean, by now I'm a much more convincing.
Perfect. Shoot me an email. Okay. Wednesday, I'm doing a private one of these with Recursive Ventures. We're going to live stream all of it to X and to LinkedIn and YouTube, and I'm going to have 5 founders come pitch. So it's
next Wednesday or today?
Next Wednesday at 12 p.m. my time. I think it's 5 p.m. your time. So you should come pitch that because you also know how to do this. I'll have you be first, and then like we can make sure this setup's all working because I don't know what it's going to be like.
How long is the pitch time?
The whole event's an hour. It's going to be all pitching. It depends how many people do it. The last event we did like this, the demo day event, it was 1 minute pitch and 2 minutes of questions. There was 5 meetings out of that with Signal Fire Ventures and one other fund, Deepwater Asset Management with Gene Munster.
Yeah.
So it worked on the shorter version. I think this time, because we're going to dive in deeper, I might want to do...
I need like at least 10 minutes. 2 minutes.
No, you don't. No. You're not trying to raise money.
Like it's 8 minutes pitch plus the video.
I'll let you play the video. I'll give you. Because you helped me test this. I'm okay with that agreement. Okay. You got to remind me though before, like 2 days before, because I have to make the content scheduling and stuff. Okay.
Okay. So, but how long is the pitch? Like, can I do 8 minutes plus the video?
You'll pitch what I pitch. Who gives a shit? You're gonna come pitch a great investor, and they'll like you, and hopefully they meet you after. Why do you care how long the pitch is? You know how to do elevator pitches. What do you care? Come meet this guy.
I just need to know what I should prepare, right? I mean, is it with a deck, or is it just like pure pitching without a deck?
I want you to come in fully unprepared and be completely surprised. I want to throw off every founder. Last time was real organized. This time I'm gonna cause chaos and see what.
All right, man. Yeah, let's fuck through it. Just prepare the video to be ready, and the rest I will just do whatever feels right.
Okay. All right. Cool.
All
this
right.
is.
Will you be sending me like an invite or something?
Yeah, I got to organize it all today. The investor that you're gonna pitch is the guy that introduced me to Rec Room in 2016. He's like this guy. He literally said there's a team leaving Microsoft. You should talk with them, and then introduce me to Nick. So this investor knows what he's doing. So
is he one of these weak software only investors, or is he also doing some hardware?
Why don't you raise more than 200 grand before you start bashing investor brands? Okay.
We got like almost 500,000 of commitments already.
Keep a private list, and when you raise 100 million, then you can bash all the people. It's too early. Don't do that. All right. All right. You're the best.
I'm too direct.
No, you're not. You're German. It's okay. We love you. Okay. All right.